Fail.
Don't take it off video. It's just fun. Plus, I need to make it a long enough video so that I have the excuse not to send it to people. So,
Lucy sucks. Lucy sucks. Lucy, I'm bouncing the ball.
You're supposed to be recording her.
I am. He's getting the basketball hoop too. Hurry up. You suck.
I mean, the first time I saw part of it. I play basketball, I know.
I only saw you make it. I didn't see you, like, on the thing. I just saw you shoot it.
You did, but I did it all the time.
Yeah, I didn't see that part.
You passed that.
Lucy sucks. Lucy sucks. Oh, fail. I think we failed.
Really? You want to try it?
Lucy sucks. Lucy sucks.
Alright, can I be done recording now? It's kind of getting old.
No. Not till I make it. Because if I make it and the video's not, I'm going to be mad.
Are you actually recording it?
Yeah, I am.
Get away from my shot. This is my good side. Side of my nose with piercings on. I look great.
It's about time.